In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Mailerlite. If you need help with your Mailerlite account and want to reach their support team, the process is fairly straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to access the support area from inside your account and submit a ticket with the right information so you can get help as quickly as possible. To begin, log into your Mailerlite account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're inside, look over to the left-hand sidebar. At the bottom left corner, you'll find the option that says Need Help. Click on that to continue. After you click Need Help, Mailerlite will open the Help Center. This is where you can access support resources and find ways to get assistance. Take a moment to look through the available options and then find the one labeled Email Support. This is the option you'll use if you want to contact the support team directly about a specific issue. Next, click Create a Ticket. This opens the form where you can send your support request. When filling this out, describe your issue clearly and as specifically as possible. A good support message saves time and helps the team understand exactly what's happening. For example, mention what feature you were using, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened instead. You should also include any relevant details that might help them investigate the issue. If applicable, add screenshots or error messages. These can be especially useful if you're dealing with something visual, like a page not loading correctly, a campaign issue, or an unexpected warning inside the platform. The more accurate and organized your information is, the easier it will be for support to troubleshoot the problem. Once your message is ready and you've attached anything necessary, go ahead and submit the support ticket. After that, all you need to do is wait for the support team to respond. Keep in mind that paid plans include 24/7 email support, so if you're on a paid subscription, you may be able to get assistance at any time. That's all there is to it. Log into your account, open the Help Center through the Need Help button, choose Email Support, create your ticket, explain the problem clearly, and submit it. If you follow those steps carefully, you'll give the Mailerlite support team everything they need to help you efficiently.